your messaging app. Yeah, it just notified me that we can use this Gemini already to from something here. So this is a Google messaging app wherein this is a default messaging app where you can use this to receive message or to send a message. So this is a default messaging app for all Android users. And then yes, this Gemini text message will appear here on your messaging app. So I just tried it earlier. So when I open it, it says here that, "Hi, I'm Gemini. In Google Messages, chat with me to draft messages